Would you like to watch me die to Tankman 20 times sequentially? Because I can't do anything right? Me neither. Sadly, I think this is the farthest I've gotten. Good news.
I said let's rock, not suck cock.
He can do both. He can multitask. Oh yeah, Pico doesn't appear until next song. Guess who's back again. Guess who's back? Tell a friend. Whoa. Things aren't looking good. Oh.
Can you even feed yourself? Can you even walk straight?
Leave me alone. I can't walk straight. I have scoliosis. I can't even hit the pause button right. I am so cool at this easy game for kids.
Why am I wasting my time against some baggy pants fuck?
Because I'm awesome. Shut up. Oh yeah, baby, I'm ready to rumble.
The only thing you're funking tonight is your sock.
Funny story, I've beat Stress and actually this is exactly what happened when I played the Pico levels. I beat Pico extremely easily, and I beat Bland after a few attempts and stupidity from myself, but I couldn't beat Philly nice. More like Philly mean. Let's go, the baby. Let's speedrun dying. I genuinely just suck.
I hope you're not some internet streamer screaming like a sociopath right now.
I'm not, I promise. Attempt number 10, I think. I record the start of every attempt, but I never just...
3, 2, 1, go!
Man, I love hearing this intro music on loop.
You know I'm running out of shit to say here, so you better beat this sometime today, asshole.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Here we go again. We can't. This is the farthest the green bar has ever been.
Yeah, you're getting closer. I wouldn't brag about it, though.
Leave me. I've gotten farther than this, I promise. Maybe if I recorded on my laptop and didn't just hold my phone while doing this, I'd have a better chance at not dying. I always die on that turn.
Maybe if you had more friends, you'd be less depressed and play better.
Okay, but that hits too close to home. I just lost most of it. That's you're so mean, and for what? What did I ever do to you? Can I get a restraining order on a video game character? This is gonna be my last attempt before I give up and die. Huh? That's more like it. Wait, what? I always die on this turn. Huh?
My My dead grandmother has more nimble fingers. Come on.
Shut up, shut up.